As a live update from CNN, the coronavirus has affected nearly 2 million people all over the world. You see on the news, hospitals all over the world are overwhelmed with a huge influx of patients with critical conditions. Chest X-ray is the gold standard for patients in more serious cases of COVID-19. Usually, a radiologist takes about 20 minutes to review each chest X-ray image, and with an overwhelmed load of patients like this time, the result can come back to the patient in up to 14 days, which is 2 weeks. With the power of deep learning and image recognition, this process can be automated and also sped up to only less than 10 seconds, which can have the test result come back to the patient in less than 3 days, and the patient can receive the appropriate treatment faster, especially with the life-threatening condition like the COVID-19. That is why we come up with PneumoScan, an AI radiology tool that can be used to automate the process of security check-in, PPE Safety Check, and also chest X-ray image detection during this COVID-19 pandemic. After checking the About section, the user can click on the Demo section to see the sample input and output from the 3 pre-trained machine learning models on AWS. And in order to use the 3 main features or components, the user can click on the Login section to start the live demonstration. First, it will scan the employee badge to gain access. Then the app will turn on the webcam and perform a PPE Safety Check on the patient. This is especially crucial during the pandemic time like COVID-19. The PPE Safety Check feature is developed using the VTech Lab PPE detector for laboratory safety, which is a curated model from AWS Marketplace, and we implement this model to work on live video from security camera, and it can detect if the person wearing any of the 4 objects like coat, glass, glove, and mask. In the final step, after passing the PPE Safety Check, the web app will ask the authorized personnel to upload a chest X-ray image they just taken from the patient to the system so that it can test for the sign of COVID-19. We developed this feature using the COVID-Net Large, which is a pre-trained deep neural network developed by the University of Montreal and Darwin Lab AI. After we successfully implement the 3 pre-trained models on AWS SageMaker, we deploy them to model endpoint using Elastic Beanstalk and connect them to the web app using AWS Lambda and Amazon API Gateway. The website is developed using Django and hosted on AWS Lightsail. Whenever the user input an image or the video, the website will communicate back with the AWS ecosystem to test and do prediction on the input image and videos. In our next step, we will integrate more curated models from AWS Marketplace such as the 7-part drug name ENR to automate the process of drug name extraction from radiology report, or the 7-part transaction data parsing NER to extract information from credit card and health insurance card for faster payment processing. With that in mind, we will expand our class to include more pneumonia-related diseases such as atelectasis, cardiomegaly, infiltration, diffusion, so that this platform can become a general-purpose and also multifunctional platform for radiology clinics and hospitals all over the globe, even after this COVID-19 pandemic is over. Our end goal is to make this tool more scalable to access even in the rural area with limited access to internet such as those in Southeast Asia and Africa, so that this world can become a better place free of pneumonia. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Don't be hesitate to ask us any questions.